Hi guys, we're out here in the shop. We just don't have any Corvette weather. It's just not happening. It's still cold rain. Can't even get the grass cut. Can't do anything here yet. So we just got to be patient and wait it out. One of the things I decided to try out was this new. I guess it's not new, but it's Evaporust. My son had raved about this stuff, and so I got a couple of cans of it. I like to collect these old tools, and a lot of times they're rusty, and I like to clean them up and put them back into good use. Anyway, yesterday, about 24 hours ago, I decided to, I got a couple of cans of this stuff and decided to give it a try. So let's have a look and see how we did. Okay, so that's the stuff, and non-toxic, no scrubbing, reusable. I'm kind of a natural born skeptic, but we'll see. I think you're supposed to wear gloves with this stuff, so always be careful. Read the instructions. And anyway, we're going to pop the lid off and see how we did with this stuff. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how we did. So it says no scrubbing. I don't know, that's not too impressive right there. I think I'm going to have to scrub this stuff a little bit. Probably just take it on a wire wheel and see how much we can get off of here. Okay, I'm not going to bore you with all this. I'm going to get all this stuff out here, then we'll have a look. Okay, so there we are. That one actually didn't do anything to that wrench there, but most of this stuff doesn't look too bad, so I'm going to clean this stuff all up and come back, and we'll have a final verdict on how we did. Okay, so there's the result. As you can see here, those are too far gone. They're all pitted and everything, but these come out really quite nice. And I would say that this stuff does a pretty good job. When I put those in, you couldn't read anything on them. They were in pretty bad shape, so I'm pretty happy with the result, and my understanding is you can use this several times, so I'm going to get some more stuff in and get the rest of the stuff cleaned up. So anyway, that's a rainy day little project, just to try this stuff out. Like I said, I'm a major skeptic with this stuff, but it's pretty good. Now, could I have soaked it in gasoline or WD-40 and got the same result? I really don't know, but I like that little Foster wrench there. So anyway, that's the result. So catch you later.